Okay, it's time for the final reveal on JM's 986 Boxster headlights after restoring them. So they've just had the final layer of polish on them, which is still on there and just ready to be buffed off. They're looking pretty crystal clear now. They were very yellow and cloudy. So how have we done this? Well, we've been using the DAS 6 DA machine. First thing we did was hit it with 1500 grit sandpaper Velcro onto the back of the DAS 6 with water, and then wet sanded it again with 2000 grit, and then with 3000 grit, and by the time this is done the headlights look awful. They look absolutely cloudy as anything, but that's what's meant to happen. And then once all that's done and you've taken off all the oxidation on the plastic, then move on to the medium cut on the medium cut pad, and then finally onto the soft cut pad with the super finish polish, and probably about an hour and a half per headlight, but you can see well worth the results. They look brand new, absolutely brand new.